Hi there, students. To veil. Notice the spelling, V-A-I-L. Now, there is another word, V-E-I-L, a veil, which, for example, a Muslim woman would put over her face to hide her face, or a bride has a piece of cloth or a textile that goes over her, a veil. Now, in the past, veil, V-E-I-L and V-A-I-L, were spelt the same. But nowadays, I think they are different. And this verb to veil, V-A-I-L, it means to lower as a token of respect, as a token of submission. So, I veiled my eyes. I looked downwards as the funeral, as the funeral walked past. Okay, is to look downwards in respect, not to look at, to stare at, but to lower your eyes in respect. Or, for example, I'm thinking of knights who are going to joust with their javelins. The knight veiled his lance, V-A-I-L. He veiled his lance. He put it down as a sign of respect to the queen before starting the joust. To veil. This word is very often used in a military context, in a ceremony. For example, you have a group of soldiers and one of them is carrying the flag. And the king or the queen walks past and the flag is put down so that actually the tip of the flagpole touches the ground and the flag is draped across along the ground. That is to veil. So the flag bearer veiled, V-A-I-L, veiled the flag as the king walked past to lower in as a sign of respect, as a sign of submission, as a sign of deference. Okay, so to veil is to lower your weapon as a sign of submission, or to lower the flag. I also have a feeling that when the flag is put at half-mast because somebody important has died, I think in this case as well they are veiling, V-A-I-L, they're veiling the flag. The flag is being lowered to as a sign of respect. Okay, so to veil, to lower as a sign of respect. Now, you could also use this word is when you take your hat off to somebody. When you take your hat off to a lady, for example. When you doff D-O-F-F, your hat. You veil your hat as well, and I think this is another instance. I veiled my eyes to hide my strong emotions. I looked down. Yeah. Okay. So to veil, it means to lower, especially in as a mark of respect for someone. So to veil your eyes, to look downwards. Yeah. Okay, I think it's easy to confuse this word with a veil, V-E-I-L, a covering. Yeah, to unveil a statue, but this is different. To veil, they come from the same origin. To veil is to lower something as a mark of respect. I guess he veiled his head. In church, perhaps when people go into church, or they veil their head. They put their head down as a sign of respect. Okay, so to veil. This is a very unusual word, and I think this is would be an interesting word for a literary essay, for a formal essay would sound very interesting. You'll probably have the examiner looking it up in the dictionary. Okay, so to veil. As to so formality, what am I giving it in formality? 7 in formality, maybe even 7.5 or 8 in formality. And then as to origin, I think it's coming from Anglo-Norman valet, of avalen. Okay, it's talking about a valley going down into the valley, or I think that's the idea at least, to cause, to sink, to drop, a valley. Okay, so to veil, to drop your head, in respect. um okay, so to veil, and a very formal and unusual word. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To veil, VAIL.